Alright guys, what's going on? I just pulled up this spot. I'm not going to be doing bass fishing today. I'm going to be fishing for some rainbow trout because it was. I rigged up a little, I don't know, I never fish for rainbow trout, so I really don't know what I'm doing. I do have just a bass rod just in case. There's a fish. Not sure what this is. What is this? Chub. Got a little chub right here. This tiny chub. Oh, don't squirm. Not what we're after, but I'll take it. Get the release on this guy. There he goes. I just spooked something on the bank over there. Alright, this is where I got the chub, this spot up here, but hoping there's some rainbows up there. Oh yeah, that's one. Okay, what is this? Please don't be a chub. What is this? It's a chub. Another chub. Quit squirming. Oh God. All right, another chub. Never know. Oh, should probably. There we go. This part I can fish from up here on the bridge because it's not really a spot down there, and there's a good sidewalk right here. So. This does look a little more promising. Let's start off right here. This is what it looks like. Similar to the other side, but I don't know. Oh, is that a bite or not? There's a fish. What is this? No way. I got a bass. I did not know there were largemouth in here. You guys probably can't hear anything because of cars, because I'm on like a little highway. But that right there is a little bass. Look at that. It's a beautiful little bass. Nice little largemouth. I did not think there were largemouth in here, but apparently are. Let's get the release from this bridge. See you, buddy. There he goes. Oh yeah. What is this? Oh my God. Another chub. There's so many chubs here. Another chub. Beautiful colors though, so still fun to catch, but not what I'm after. There's a good one. Oh, never mind. Oh my god, it's a little bluegill. This one felt like decent for some reason. But really, it's a... Oh no, almost dropped it. Oh, and I dropped it. Okay. That's a fish. What is this? Yep, what do you know? It's a bass. Just what I said. Looked like a spot I could hook a bass, and all these bass are so beautiful. Like, look at that. Oh, he's still on. Okay, well, definitely the smallest fish of the day. But oh my god, I drop them every single time. I just wanted to close up. Well, that was a little... I think they're red ear sunfish, but I honestly don't know. I'm not very good at my species. But I think that's... There's one. That's... I don't know why this one feels good. It's a bass. It's a chunky little bass. Jeez, this is the biggest fish of the day right here. I mean... That's the biggest bass of the day, I think. Look, they're so healthy too, so let's get the release. I think we found the honey hole right there. Same cast I got. A bass. Oh, another bluegill. All right. Oh, don't squirm. Nope, don't do that. Okay, I'm not gonna drop this one. Oh, that's a fish. Another sunfish. There he is. Oh my god. Oh, there he goes.